Hi friends, let's continue with our REST API video series, and here we will see how we can manipulate the database using Python request. Okay, so up to our previous video we see that how we can get data, how we can create new data, and now we will edit the existing data. Okay, for that let's just go and let's just duplicate our create one. It's quite similar. Instead of this we will just use employee id, and then the data which we are going to update, this is fine. So create new, instead of create new we can say that edit data, and this employee id is basically should be here, because now we want to edit a specific entry here, so that's why we need to provide here. Rest will be same, and the data which we are going to change, and we can just provide what kind of data you want to change. So for example, let's just go to id 5, and instead of this name we will change to something else. So let's go to edit data and employee id 5, but remember this is not post, we want to do put. And when you are talking about put, let's just see this data here. This should be 5. So 5, the name is Sapna Sharma, and let's just change this to something else, maybe okay. Let's run this. Wow, that is what we see. Wow. So what is the problem here? Let's just go and quickly see what is the problem here. API runtime error. Okay, let's go down. Runtime error. Put. Okay. We provided ID correct here, which is fine. Edit data, fine. Okay. Let's run it again. Again, the put data is having some issue. What is that issue? Let's just quickly understand this. And also you can print the response dot request status code. So this is also very helpful. Sometime it will just simply tell you 500. Okay, there is some problem in the server side. So in the server side, if this is the problem, let's just go copy this and paste, put. Okay, so far from here it's fine. Okay, I see. It's very weird problem, but it is, you need to put a slash here. That's the problem. Let's just see. Wow, 555. We change the name here, run it. Right, it's changed. So yeah, this end slash is very important in web. Basically, if you don't provide, it's auto come here, but in REST API level you need to make sure that you have this backslash in the end of the URL. Okay, otherwise you will see the same error which I'm seeing. So with that, let's just go and create change this to something like 55.55 ranking 55.55. Perfect, it's updating here, and also it's returning us the updated data. So far our edit data is working absolutely fine. Now I will add one more topic in this video, which is actually how we can delete the data, and that is also very easy, and I want to cover this within this video, so hope you guys follow with me. Okay, so this one will be delete data. And basically delete data, we don't want to return any text, we just want to see the status code, and we can just say delete. And for that we don't need any data because we are not sending any data there, but here of course we need, because you must have authorization to go there, and whatever employee ID you provide, that will be deleted from the database. So delete data. Let's just go here and see every user that we created. So I think that after 4 we just created some dummy users, so let's just create whoever is after 4. So for each in range, and for each in range, maybe let's just go to 21 and delete data. And but if each is greater than 4, then only delete the data. So that is okay. Perfect. Let's just run this and see the fun, how you can clean the data. Tuck 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 204 204, and you're done, and your database is also clean. You just delete a lot of shit out of your database. So that's what this Python is really awesome. That's where you can actually automate a lot of things. Let's just clean few, or like maybe just delete up to 2. Run. That's it. And we see 404 because there are no user exists. So now we only have these 2 users here. Okay guys, so now we come to a conclusion. What we learned so far, we just one after one we created many videos, and so far I also done, I will give you the list, maybe, yeah, it's almost 11 or 12 videos. But the understanding from this entire series will be, it is very easy to create REST APIs in Python. That is very useful when you want to write some Python based application that is require some data to be stored inside database and retrieve that information from the database, all these kind of thing that you can do. This is end of my basic introduction of this entire REST API and Python Django series. Next coming videos, I will cover some advanced topics. Some of them are how you can upload images, how you can upload files, and how you can actually multiple upload files parallelly, or maybe just create some interface for your REST API. Okay, so there will be so much fun for you guys that I will cover soon. So I hope you will stay with me and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys.